What's up everyone? Welcome back. This is today's model, a 3x3 Rubik's Cube solver. So I built this model using one SpikePrime kit only. The creator of this model and the code inside is David Gilday. Inside the description, I posted a link and it will take you to a website that will teach you how to build this model and how to code it. So let's take a look at the process of solving the cube. When you put the cube inside the crate, the distance sensor will sense that there's a cube inside the crate. So the color sensor will extend out and start scanning the cube sides. To flip the cube, the arm right here will go down and then it will pull the cube partially out and then it will push the cube back in, causing it to flip one side. So after the color sensor scanner scans all 6 sides, it's time to solve the cube. To turn one layer, like that, the arm will first flip the cube so that the layer that you want to turn is all the way down inside the crate, and then it will lower to fix the cube in place, and then the crate will turn, causing the bottom layer to turn, which is also the layer the robot wants to turn. So that process repeats a lot of times until finally your cube is solved. Let's take a look at the mechanics. So how the color sensor extends or retracts is because this motor right here is connected to a 36 teeth gear, which is connected to a 28 teeth gear, which is connected to a 12 tooth gear right here. The 12 tooth gear can drive this rack, causing the color sensor to extend and retract. So then next is the crate. So this large motor right here is connected to a 12 tooth gear, which drives a 46 tooth gear, which is connected to the crate so the crate can turn. Lastly is the arm. So this medium motor is connected to 2 bars, which is connected to the arm. The arm is connected to 2 yellow bars right here, which are connected to these 2 axles. The 2 axles are connected to another yellow axle, allowing it to move freely. So that's why it can pretty much solve every 3x3 cube there is, besides those irregular ones. So that's pretty much it of the mechanics. My favorite part of this model is that you can customize it. Like right here, I added like seats for Lego figures to watch the quote show. And then here I also added this eyebrow thing. I can put them on top of the color sensor and it'll look, I guess you could say, cool. I also added this swirly thing to the medium motor right here so that when it turns, this swirly pattern will also turn. So that's pretty much it of this model. Now let's check out a demonstration. So it's telling me to put the cube inside, and then it starts scanning. So now it's calculating how to solve the cube. Now it's solving the cube. And as you can see, it solved the cube. So that's it for today. If you haven't, please subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you next time.